Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we are opening a little gift from Soulsfeng shoes. My friends at Soulsfeng were kind enough to send me another pair of shoes. They love my work and they hopefully they keep sending more stuff and I'll get to take more awesome photos. Once again guys, thank you Soulsfeng. Please go visit them on Instagram. See all their shoes. I love them because they're very awesome shoes. I don't really see any other shoe manufacturer that does shoes like they do, so I'm quite excited to check them out. I don't even know what is the actual model of these shoes, so it's gonna be like a little surprise for me as well. We'll see. Let's open this baby up and let's do that. Alright guys, this is the unboxing. Here we go. Ooh. Alright. Let's take a closer look. This is the box. It looks a little different from the previous one. Let me confirm that. Yeah, it's completely different from the previous one they sent. This is the previous model and that's the new one. Oh gosh, I'm excited. Let's see what we got here. Do whatever you can do. Nice. Soulsfeng. That's the bottom part. It's the very classic opening for their shoes, which is oh wait, no, this is actually opening this way. Oh, fantastic. Okay, the previous model opened this way, so you'll pull this, but this one opens this way. Great. Soulsfeng, New York. Okay guys, so that's the information if you guys need it. Future Footwear Technology Corporation, and that's the address right there. New York, New York. Alright, big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for sending these shoes this way. I love those shoes. I'm excited. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, let me open this up a little more. Okay. So I see the design on the paper. I love that. That is pretty awesome. I love that. Okay, we're gonna open it. Oh, we got some socks. I think these are the same socks that we got the last time. That's pretty awesome. They're quite comfy, by the way. So I assume all shoes come with their pair of socks. So there you go. You're not only buying a shoe, it comes with socks. So it says environment friendly future sneaker. That is fantastic, guys. Shout out to you guys. The pamphlet. This is the pamphlet. I think it is the same one as the last one. These are some of the models, previous models they had. So they are environmental friendly. So if anything happened to the sneakers and you throw them away, they are biodegradable. So they're amazing. That's pretty awesome. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for sending these shoes. I'm so freaking stoked. I'm quite excited, guys. Once again, thank you, Soulsfeng. Put that over here. Ooh, we got some boots this time. Look at this. Oh snap. Ooh-wee. Alright, we got some boots. Nice. That is quite awesome. Fantastic. Okay, nice. Okay, that's quite cool. I love them. Look at that. Soulsfeng. That is awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one right here. This one, oops, almost knocked my tripod off. It's cool. Alright, so I'm gonna put the box away. inside. Okay. Anything else inside? No, that's it. Soulsfeng. Okay, that's the logo right over there. That's pretty cool. Alright. Smells good. They got the logo here, and then they got the logo on their sole right there. It's pretty awesome. It's the back part of the shoe. Has the two little loops right here for assistance whenever you're putting on the shoe. Okay, they look pretty awesome. I'm excited. I'm gonna take a few photos of them as well, and I'm gonna test them out. We'll see how they perform, how comfy they are, but I'm quite excited, to be honest. They look amazing. I'm so freaking stoked. Well, my friends, thank you guys so much for watching. This was the unboxing of the Soulsfeng shoes. A little gift our friends at Soulsfeng sent me. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Please don't forget to go and visit them. Big shout out to them. Also, I do have a code. I have a code they sent me if you wanna have 5% off in your next purchase. So Soulsfeng dash this, like discount, like the first 3 letters of discount, this. Soulsfeng dash this. I think this is the model. That's the model if you want to buy them, and if you want to take advantage of the 5% off. Once again, Soulsfeng dash this, like this. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like content like this. Tell me in the comments below, do you like the shoes? Do you think they're good? They're awesome? I personally think they look fantastic. I'm gonna test them out. We'll see how they perform. I'm probably gonna take them at work and see how will they perform in a long day of shooting. But that's after I do all the photos and the product photography and all that. So other than that, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. And in the given case that you have or you own one of these shoes, please let me know. What do you think? What was your experience with them? And then if you like the video, please hit the like button. It does help a lot. And share it. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.